How are we, YouTube? George here, and as you can see from the thumbnail, we've no power here today. They're doing work on the power lines, so we're running off a battery here, and I can't get over how quiet. That's how quiet it is, and I've the volume nearly wide open there. How quiet and smooth the receive is when you don't have all the noise, all the mains born electrical noise that we have to put up with. It's absolutely mind-boggling how quiet it is. Absolute zero noise floor. Like, there's signals there now that they're very faint, but you would not hear them. You would not hear them if the electricity was on, with that bloody PLC noise or PLT noise I do get here. Hola yourself. So we'll leave it on here, and what I'll do is if the skip picks up a bit in a while, I'll take some footage, and not going to be a particularly long video, just to show you. I've done a video like this before. I'll put a link in the description up here for it, where the 7300 running off battery power, same story, did the power off a couple of years ago doing something, and I just happened to catch it in the video where when they turn the power back on, you can see all the noise just appearing. And it's worth a watch now. You wouldn't believe it. You get so used to listening to noise that you think, like I always think, I have a low noise floor here until
Victor Delta 225, le sud de France, le département de l'Hérault se signale, le département 34, l'opérateur Freddy.
Man, Freddy, how quiet it is with no electric interference. It's absolute zero noise floor. It's lovely. You know, one time.
1, 2, 3, test. 225, le sud de France.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, test. It's working.
34, l'opérateur Freddy.
No. 1, 2, 3, test. It's working. Over.
Yeah, thank you. All working fine. From Central Spain, over.
Yeah, very, very good. Very good. Sounds okay to me. Very good. My name is George, Golf Echo, Oscar Radio Golf Echo, and I am in Central Ireland, over, 29 Division. Over. That station in Spain, are you still there? Anyway, it's so quiet. Hopefully the skip picks up, I can get a bit of decent footage. So the power is back now, as you can see. I didn't get a chance to record stuff during the day. Just the day got away from me. I just didn't get a chance. So you heard it earlier, how it was with no power. Like, it's not half as quiet or as smooth. You couldn't turn the volume up as loud as I had it. And we were just, myself and herself were just sitting here listening to some Americans talking on 385 just as the power came back. And about 5 seconds after the power came back on, whoosh, up came the noise. Unfortunate, but it's just the world we live in now. We all like our technology and our gadgets and all the rest of it, so we just have to put up with it, I'm afraid. Okay, short little video, so we'll get you again in the next one. 73 guys, bye bye.